Hello, this is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab. From time to time, we'll get the question about whether or not we would take a partial position in trading the PRX crypto system if we didn't have the capital or the leverage available to take a position at full risk. For me personally, and this is not advice or a recommendation, I do take partial positions. And there's some pros and cons to taking them and to not taking them. So one of the pros to taking a partial position is that, in my opinion, if we have a system with a positive expectancy and a real edge to it, then holding a position, even if it's partial, is better than keeping those assets in cash. And especially during a period of inflation like we're experiencing now here in the US. The other pro is that it adds another R multiple to the data set. So when we're tracking system performance, that's just one more data point for us to look at. One of the cons is that if it's a big winner, that's going to be less profit because you took the trade at smaller size. And of course, with the PRX crypto system, it is a trend following system, and we are looking for those big R multiple winners to make up for the small losses along the way. Like most trend following systems, it's a lower win rate, but a higher win-loss ratio. So if it's a big winner, we'll have less dollars profit. Of course, if it's a loser, we'll also have less dollars lost, so that could actually work out to be a pro. It just depends on how that particular trade comes out. And another con is that you may just have to pay a little bit more attention when you're doing your bookkeeping. For example, if you're trading at standardized risk, and whatever you use, whatever tool or system you use to do your bookkeeping, you just want to make sure you keep track of the fact that you took this one on at smaller size, and so you have a lower risk. I actually did just last night enter a trade. This is Decentraland, MANAUSD, and I didn't have enough capital available to buy it at full size, so I just bought as much as I could and made a note of it here on my chart, and I'll also make a note of that for myself in my Excel spreadsheet, so all my numbers are adjusted and I'm tracking my data accurately. So those are some of the pros and cons. Of course, you have to decide for yourself. Only you know what's right for you, but that's how I do it personally. Thanks for watching and happy trading.